With so many exciting upgrades going into the remodel at this compound, ensuring safety and protection is definitely a top priority for Ryan and the Oscar Mike family. Ryan is meeting with U.S. Alliance Fire Protection President Chad Hukens to better understand the many safety benefits of having a reliable fire sprinkler system installed in your property.
Chad, I want to thank you guys for coming in. I know USA Fire Protection, you guys are doing a pretty big job here. It's a big house, it's 9,000 square feet. But I'm curious, you don't see fire sprinklers coming in residential areas very often. What can you tell me about the benefits that they can get from putting this kind of system in their home?
Yeah, it's a good question, Ryan. The fire sprinkler system that we're installing today is a single-family residential home fire sprinkler system, which is basically connected by some pipe, and then you have sprinkler heads in a room. And the benefit of this is that if a fire does break out, only the sprinkler heads closest to the fire will go off by heat, therefore putting out the fire. Most fires are put out with 1 or 2 sprinkler heads in a residential home fire.
So I think one of the biggest benefits, especially here at the Oscar Mike compound, obviously we have a lot of guys that come in and out of here and they have mobility issues. And if they're down here on the lower levels in the bedroom, there's really only 2 ways out. You get a very slow elevator, or you have an exit out to the patio on the far end of the house. If a fire were to break out, that timing is very, very critical.
Correct. This fire sprinkler system will put the fire out within a minute or 2. And what will happen is it'll leave you basically with a residue, and we'll have to redo some paint and some flooring, but that's it. Not the possibility of having a full-blown loss in a property, or maybe to the full compound where there could be other people living and staying here at the same time.
So Chad, what is it that brought you guys here in the veteran community to do what you're doing?
Well, when we heard that the Oscar Mike compound needed help with fire sprinklers, we were so excited to get here, to meet Noah, to hear the story, to see the training that they actually do on site. And the #1 reason why we're here is to keep the compound safe.
I can't wait to bring Noah home to see not only everything that we've done as far as decoration, but to let him know that with the fire sprinkler, his property and their message is safe in the hands of everything that you guys are done. And I'm just so excited to be able to give that to them. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome. We really appreciate being part of it. Thank you.
Absolutely.